How to grow on YouTube. Many famous creators are creating such content in which one of the famous YouTuber is Decoding YT, who has gained 100k subscribers in just 4 months. In this video, we will be discussing about famous YouTuber Decoding YT, which has over 100k subscribers on YouTube in just 3 months with just 13 tutorials. So be with me till the last, because I will be telling you something more helpful for you if you are also a YouTuber. I will be telling you 4 formulas which he uses in his tutorials, in which the 4th one is his favorite. First, giving time to tutorials. If you search for Decoding YT, you might have seen that in his channel, in his 4 months, he has uploaded 13 tutorials, which means he uploads 3 tutorials in a month, and this means he uploads 1 tutorial in 10 days, which means he gives 10 days to his 1 tutorial to make his editing considerable. So in order to become a successful YouTuber, he focuses on quality rather than quantity. But why does he do this? The reason is that good edited videos make audience watch the video longer and increase audience retention, and then according to YouTube algorithm, his videos become recommended by YouTube. So what should you do? You should also give time to your tutorials and make beautiful editing in it, including animations, elements, so that audience watch it for longer time. Second, from where he started YouTube channel. If you search on YouTube, you will see that the first video of Decoding YT was about the famous YouTuber Algro, about how he dominated YouTube. Means that he has uploaded his first tutorial about something which the audience were keen to know about. If he had started the channel with something about his own, like my intro, face reveal, where I live, etc., then no one should have watched him, because no one knew him that time. But if now he upload this video, he will definitely get views, because now he is famous. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, make sure to start from genuine content, cause this is the time when if you gain peak, you will go to more success in YouTube, and then YouTube will recommend your videos. Third, brilliant voiceover. You might have noticed in Decoding YT videos that everything will be perfect. Editing, thumbnails, titles. But the most professional thing will be his voiceover. His voice is phenomenal in his videos, and that is his voiceover which grabs audience retention. But how he do this? He does not give much editing to his voice, just a bit noise reduction, and that's it. He has told us about it in his post, in which he says that he does not use any mic for his videos, just his mobile mic. Is this has amazed you? So you should also focus on your voice in your tutorials so that you can grab audience retention. But how? Record the voice in a room with written echoes and make sure to edit your voice with free softwares like Audacity, because I also use it. Fourth, genuine content. You might have noticed that before Decoding YT and Algro started their channel, if you searched on YouTube for how to grow your channel, many creators uploaded videos on that, but no one had a good advice at all. All said that increase watch time, increase CTR, increase subscriber, but no one told that how to do it. But in Decoding YT tutorials, you might have seen that there is a solution to your problems, and in a precise video, he provided every bit of solution to our problem. He focused on solving audience problems rather than increasing his watch time. If he wanted, he would have uploaded long videos which are disgusting and useless, having no solution at all, but he never did it. This is the most important formula of his success. If you watch this 30 minutes video, you will never find it disgusting, and you will watch it full without skipping. In fact, this is my personal experience. The information he provided proved that he is better than all other YouTube video creators. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe the channel and implement these tips in your videos to become successful YouTubers. I will meet you in another tutorial. Till then, bye.